This is lesson 4, the surface area of triangular prisms. Your code word for today in this lesson is John Adams. We are going to be finding the area or the surface area of a triangular prism. So when we do that, notice what our shape looks like. We have 2 bases and we have 3 faces. So what we're going to do is we're going to add up our bases once we find that area, and then we're going to add up our faces once we find those areas. So let's look at an example. This example is on page 774. It's going to be letter A. We want to find the surface area of this triangular prism. Well, the first thing we want to do is we want to find the base area. My base area is when I look at my triangle. When I look at my triangle, I have 6, 6, 6 are on the outside, and it says right here that my height is 5.2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve. For a triangle, member, it's base times height divided by 2. Well, my base is 6, my height is 5.2, and I'm going to divide all that by 2. When I multiply 6 times 5.2 divided by 2, I get 15.6. Then I take my base of my rectangle. So this is my rectangle, this is my triangle. My rectangle, if you notice, is 7 by 6. So length times width is 7 times 6. 7 times 6 is 42. So if we remember from the last slide, we want to take, there are 2 pieces of triangle, so I do 15.6 plus 15.6. And then there are 3 rectangles, so I'm going to add 42 3 times. When you do that all on your calculator, your surface area is going to equal 157.2 centimeters squared. Remember, we're back to surface area, so we're using squared for our labels. Let's do one more example. Let's do letter B on page 775. So my first thing is on B is to look at my base of a triangle. So I have my triangle base. Base times height divided by 2. Well, my base is 4, and my height is right over here, 5.7. All divided by 2. So you're going to take 4 times 5.7 and then divide that by 2, and you get 11.4. Then I'm looking at my rectangle. My rectangle is length times width. Well, my length is 8.6 and my width is 5.7. So when I multiply 8.6 times 5.7, I should get 49.02. Remember then, I have to add those together. So I have 11.4 plus 11.4, and there are 2 triangles, so that's why I know there's 2. And then there are 3 rectangles, so I take 49.02 plus 49.02 plus 49.02. My surface area should be, I would get 166.42 meters squared.